Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very long quiz, long expression which contains the basic operation, addition, multiplication and division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. So here we have the four answers 14, 4, 20, and 28. So after solving it, let's see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can use to solve any arithmetic expression. The rule says B stands for bracket. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. So, step number 2 is you have to solve the after the bracket power of any number. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. And if division is coming first, you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can subtract any if it is coming first, and we can add if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here three brackets. So, according to the rule of BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the all bracket first. So, here we have first bracket, which is 9 multiplied by 2. First, we will solve this part. So, 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. And other part we will write right now as it is. We will follow each step one by one. 9 raised to power 2 equals to 18. Now, this part we have solved. Now, we have solved second bracket. Now, we will not solve this one because this is step number 3. Step number 1 is basically complete uh, solve all bracket. So, now we will solve this bracket, which is 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. And this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. Now, move forward to solve the last bracket, which is 5 minus 2. So, we will solve this one, which is equals to 3. So, 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay. Now, we do not have any bracket right now, and also our expression does not contain any number which has the power. So, now move forward to step number 3, which is left to right we will go and find out division and multiplication. So, first we have the division. So, now we will solve this part. 36 divided by 18, which is equals to 2. And this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 36 divided by 18, which is equals to 2. Now, move forward to solve again left to right and find out division and multiplication. But we do not have any division and multiplication. Now, we will see the addition and subtraction. So, now we have one addition first. So, we will solve this part. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Minus 3 we will write as it is. And here we have 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Now, move forward. We have two terms which are subtracting each other. So, we will solve this part and get the answer is 4. So, the answer of the given expression is 4. So, if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So, I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct result. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.